So I'm having a problem shifting my Xterra Pro 4X from park down to reverse, neutral, and drive. Actually, it will do all four of those, but right now when I try to go to drive, it really almost stops right there. Drive does actually engage, but it won't move past 3, and certainly not down to 2.1. I did some research on the internet, and we're gonna have a look and see what was previously documented about this shifter getting stuck like that. It's the same problem that I'm having. So here's a demonstration of what's happening now. Reverse, neutral, drive, barely moves in there, and now we're back in park. I'm going to shut the car down now, and we'll have a look underneath the trim. So I have the trim removed now, and let's see, can I get a little bit of focus in? Okay, so you see where the area there is grease. You can also, I'm also going to point out where the problem is occurring at. This piece right here, as previously documented in some videos and on the Xterra forums, is loose and it freely moves. And because of that, when you try to shift it, that is what's blocking it from moving back and forth. The fix is tighten the screw back up. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so I've got it tightened down now, and at first it was a little awkward there. The piece that I had to tighten back down, it has to be aligned also. So it should be straight up and down, shouldn't be coming in at an angle at all. And then you tighten it down. It's not connected to anything. It's more like some kind of shroud that goes up and down those bumps you see that are covered with the grease. So if I release the safety lock, a bit difficult to do with one hand. Okay, I can't do it with one hand. So let's see, can I sit the camera down? Okay, so now you see the piece that's actually was getting caught, that I've tightened down so it's not free to move. You're gonna see the entire action now. Okay, now it's going behind there. You should see. Okay, you see a screw. And as you see, the piece that's going over the bumps, you know, it's collecting a little grease. I think we're in drive now. And that should be. I'm going to put it back up in what I believe will be reverse. Swing this trim back around. Okay, so we're actually in neutral. There's drive. There's 3. And there's 2.1. 3. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Easy fix. Thank you. Okay, I've got the truck running. Trim all put back together. Let's see. Perfect.